Hi, my name is Casey Maynard, and I'm a children's librarian here at the Iowa City Public Library. I select materials for our youngest readers, so board books, picture books, and our reader collection, as well as our Storytime Read With Me kit collection, our read-alongs, and our DVDs. They come in a big, clear vinyl bag. Inside each Read With Me kit, there are 5 books, 1 learning extension activity from those books or from the theme of those books, and an individual sheet that looks like this that has some activities, rhymes, and songs and fun things that parents and caregivers can do with children to imitate story time in the home setting. The Read With Me kits are designed specifically to kind of recreate story time in that home setting. So they each have fun themes. There are 50 individual themes that are all different, and they each have different books on the inside and different extension activities as well. So if you take home one Read With Me kit, it's totally different from another one. And so they're kind of quick grab bags that are thematic. You can check it out at one of our self-checkout machines or at any of our public service point desks. The self-checkout machines, you can check them out just like a regular book. You would put them down with the label side down on the self-checkout pad, and they would check out just like a book. You can check out a Read With Me kit any time of the year at the Iowa City Public Library. They circulate for 3 weeks at a time. The Read With Me kits are located at the very end of the children's fiction collection around Recently Returned. Anyone can check out a Read With Me kit. The suggested age range is about birth through age 5. And if you want to use them as an early literacy tool for children who are starting to learn how to read, feel free to come talk to me, and I'd be more than willing to help you wade through some of those materials to find the ones that would be best for that.